Hello, my name is Aditya Sadhukhan and I am an alumni of Modern Institute of Engineering and Technology. I joined MIET in 2016 and I passed in 2022 and I did my graduation in mechanical engineering. After that I went to DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and now I am pursuing my Masters of Technology in Defense Technology from Manipal Institute of Technology. So MIT has provided a lot of opportunities which helped me to get into DRDO, and it also shaped my knowledge, provides a good guidance, so that which helped me a lot to be successful in my life. And one of the best thing is MIT mechanical faculties provide a good guidance for projects and research opportunities, which makes a engineering student unique, and it helps me a lot of it helps me a lot. And now I would also like to tell about my college that you should join MIT, and that's all. Thank you.